everybody, it's time for episode 2. Now I will change it to have those little icons on the top and bottom for dramatic effect. So just figured out how to do Casey versus Girdie. Who will win? Girdie has approached the prison area. Will she escape again? Because she did earlier. Yeah, no. Casey's just chilling out. Oh, and Girdie escapes. Oh no. By the way, I have no control over this. No remote. Plus, I'm holding the camera with both hands anyway, so how would I?
He said yeah.
It's been running for a while. I doubt anything much will happen. If y'all are wondering about not the last episode but the last video I uploaded, I didn't edit that just because it felt like it didn't need to be edited. So, yeah, I didn't feel like it. Come on, Girdie. Come on. Get Casey so I can get a good video out of this. Casey's still literally chilling out. How are you still so chillaxed? Okay. Bruh. At least we don't make plays off of plays. Girdie, turn to his mom. Oh, love. You feel me? They almost made contact. What will happen? Nothing. It'll go clean up that side of the room. It hasn't done that yet. Casey is safe and sound. Well, that's the anticlimactic. Wait, no, we're not done yet. Girdie can't get past.
Yes, he can.
Why are we assuming it's gender?
Okay, so let me do it.
Hey. Oh, move. I thought you were just tapping. Girdie's gone into prison 2.0 and is unable to escape. Looks like Cat wins. Girdie is unable to escape. He wins. Okay, no, seriously, oof. Girdie, come on, get out. If you want to be free, get out! I don't know where I got that to, but get out! Oh my goodness. This is just entertaining, so I'll let it go. Oh my god. Yeah. Stop assuming it's gender. Oh, it escaped!
Yes. Casey, stay back. Girdie, stay back.
No, not stay back. We want them. Yeah, we actually kind of do. That's what makes a good video. Or good video. Casey doesn't have bright claws.
I know. But Girdie almost sucked at his tail last time.
But it didn't. You probably know how to.
It didn't because we powered it off and got because we turned it away.
What? It would have just rolled over it. Okay, come on. That would have been hilarious. You gotta be kidding me. Casey, have you realized the sun is not yet free? Wait.
What?
I don't know. When are we gonna eat that candy that isn't even ours? I know. Exactly. Why? When are we gonna eat it? Well, yes, I know that. I haven't even had breakfast yet. Casey's on the table, but I don't consider this a win for Casey yet. He will most likely jump off. Hi, I'm recording. Girdie's stuck again.
There's one right
We did earlier this morning.
You did?
No, Allie did.
there. What? I did?
Well, no, what?
When?
This morning. Casey stands in the ground and claims victory.